What a truly exciting morning this is. I am going to see Yankee today. I am just setting out on my way. I can't wait. So let's roll them bumps, Piney.
Ring that bell! Ring that bell! Subscribe! Ring that bell! Bing bing! Woo! Subscribe and ring that bell! Ring that bell! Hey, I'm Yankee with Yankees Outdoor Adventures.
I'm Mikey from Mike. Oh, Jesus. Holy crap.
Ring that bell! Michael!
Oh my God, what's wrong? You're gonna hurt yourself though.
No. Ring that bell!
You know what, man? I think that's gonna be all right.
Ring that bell! Did I scare you, Yankee?
Come on, one more shot.
Ring that bell!
What are you looking for, Yankee?
I was looking for Birdwood. Ring that bell! Where you at, Birdwood? Ring that bell!
Good, ain't it?
1, 2, yep. That's good.
Now you want me to stand on my tippy toes?
Hey, sure, why not?
And ring that bell! 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 Bell!
As you can see, it was a pretty long day with Yankee. I'm quite worn out. I have a quick edit, hopefully, to do tonight before I go to bed. But I just want to say thank you, Yankee, from Yankees Outdoor Adventure. Today was an unbelievable day that I will never forget. It was an absolute blast. I want you guys to go out there, find your adventure, and have a great day. I will see you in an hour for the live show.